Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some trendy collections only for you. So let me display. All are very beautiful and elegant looks. This one is handloom, soft silk material with beautiful fine weaving design work. Same saree today I have different color only, and this one is full base part, very soft one, easy drapable, smart looks, heavy work. This one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work, border and all over head, all over diagonally design work, all over base stripes design, very nice looks and very soft, comfortable, smart and bright looks. This one is full base part, all over same work, same saree today I have draped. And this one pallu in beautiful fine weaving design work, pallu in, this one is pallu in, and this portion is border portions, fully weaving with contrast color threaded weaving design, highlighted work, very nice and bright looks. And this one running blouse piece, this one is same brocade pattern running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one premium quality khadi base, soft one, premium quality khadi with Dhakai Jamdani design work, very exclusive elegant looks. This one is premium quality cotton khadi with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani design work, border, very beautiful and elegant looks, red shade and all over buta design, fully hand weaving work. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful weaving design, Dhakai weaving design work, pallu end, and soft one, premium quality khadi cotton base with Jamdani design, pure cotton Jamdani, Dhakai Jamdani, very elegant looks. And this one full base part, all over buta, Dhakai buta, and this one border portions, fully Dhakai Jamdani weaving design work, border and fully hand weaving design, khadi cotton base, soft one, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also same material, premium quality khadi cotton base, off-white base with Jamdani design, Dhakai Jamdani work, very elegant and exclusive looks. This one is pure cotton fabric, pure premium quality khadi cotton base, all over border portions, beautiful hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, border, fully hand weaving work and all over buta design, and very soft one, elegant looks, premium quality khadi cotton base with Jamdani design. This one is border, off-white base, contrast maroon threaded weaving design, Jamdani work, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part and pallu in, beautiful hand weaving Jamdani design, Dhakai Jamdani khadi cotton with Dhakai Jamdani work, very exclusive elegant looks, soft one, lightweight obviously. And I will suggest this soft silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. A very beautiful one, same material off-white base with black contrast Jamdani design, very nice looks. Premium quality khadi cotton base and all over beautiful hand weaving Jamdani, Dhakai Jamdani design work. This one border portions, beautiful Jamdani design work, border, all over Jamdani buta design, very nice look. This one off-white base with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work, border. This one is border portions and all over Jamdani buta design, and soft one, premium quality khadi cotton base. And this one pallu portions, beautiful hand weaving Jamdani design work, pallu, fully hand weaving fine design. This one is pallu portions, and this one border portions, very soft and elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully threaded weaving stripes design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, cotton slab material and zari border all over batik printed one, very elegant looks. This one is a bright yellow shade, mustard yellow shade with beautiful hand batik printed one, based for your office wear smart looks. This one is border portion, silver zari with weaving design work border and full border portions highlighted batik printed one and all over batik printed buta. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful stripes pattern printed pallu, very elegant looks. This one is full base all over buta, printed buta, very trendy looks. And this one, running blouse piece, and type piece is this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, dupian tissue material with beautiful hand batik printed one, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, dupian tissue material, and this portion is border portion, silver zari border and full border portions, beautiful batik printed one, all over batik printed buta, very soft one, dupian tissue material and handloom. And this one, running blouse piece, and this portion is pallu portions, highlighted stripes with printed pallu. This one is border. And I appreciate this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. And this one, very beautiful and fresh color combinations, premium quality khadi cotton base, contrast color, ikat border and all over kantha stitch pattern, stitching stripes design work. And this portion is border portion, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, ikat contrast border and all over base part is stitching stripes design work all over base, very beautiful and elegant looks. And base part is off-white base with pink contrast ikat border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions highlighted fully weaving brocade pallu, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is border, very nice one. And I suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy looks. Very beautiful one, cotton slab material, soft one with sequin stitch design, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base part, nice color combinations with beautiful sequin stitch design. This one is full base part, sequin stitch design all over same with beautiful pom-pom design pallu end, and all over base part is same design, very elegant and fresh looks. And I suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy and fashionable elegant looks. And this one also, very beautiful color combinations, premium quality pure handloom, khadi cotton silk material, contrast border. This one is full base part, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base part, these portions, dark navy blue shade. This one is half. This portion is upper base part, darkish navy blue shade, pallu and gicha pallu. This one is pallu and gicha pallu. This portion is upper base part, and this one, half portion is split section, contrast color, firoza color. This one is half portion, split section, and this one is upper base part. Very trendy and fashionable elegant looks, premium quality khadi cotton silk. And this one is running blouse piece, and I suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this for your elegant looks, elegant and bright looks, based for your office wear. And this one also, very beautiful color combinations, bright looks, premium quality cotton silk material and zari border and full border portions, heavy zari weaving work. This one is full base part, all over base zari weaving design work. This one is border portions, beautiful zari weaving design work and polka design also base part. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted contrast color pallu. And this one, full base part, very elegant and fresh look. This one is full base, all over zari weaving work and middle portions polka design. This one is running blouse piece and this one, full base part. And this soft silk material, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one, nice color combinations, very beautiful one. Cotton kutki, elegant color combinations without running blouse piece, only sari length, premium quality cotton fabric, cotton kutki. This one, pallu portions, beautiful kutki design pallu. This one, pallu portions, cotton kutki, soft one, premium quality. And this one is all over base, temple pattern, very elegant and fresh looks without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. It's in a very nice color combination, silk cotton material and contrast color border, all over base part is fine weaving design work, very bright looks, nice color combinations. This one is full base part, all over base part is fine weaving buta design, contrast color border and full border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work, very bright color combination, steel grey with pink contrast border and pallu, very nice looks. This one is, pallu portions, contrast color stripes with buta work pallu. And this one, border portions, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, beautiful one, cotton kotki design, very nice one, bright color combinations, premium quality cotton fabric, mustard yellow shade. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color kotki pallu. This one is pallu. And this one, full base part, very soft, comfortable, premium quality cotton fabric. This portion is border portions, contrast temple pattern border. And this one is all over base without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one, very beautiful one, premium quality khadi cotton base, all over base part, structure pattern design and sorry, contrast color border and all over base part is structure pattern design work, premium quality khadi cotton base, very soft one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one is contrast color border and this one, running blouse piece. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu. And this one is border, very soft, comfortable, based for your daily wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, khadi cotton base and hand stitch katha stitch design work. This one is full base part, this one is full base and beautiful katha colorful threaded stitching work, katha stitch work. This one is pallu portions, beautiful fine hand katha stitch design work, base part is navy blue shade and all over katha work. And this one, full base part, all over katha stitch design work, very bright and beautiful looks. This one is all over base and this one, running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. very beautiful one khadi cotton base with beautiful fine weaving design work, highlighted border, very soft one base for your daily wear. Also this one, full base part, all over border portions, fine weaving design work border, and all over base soft one premium quality khadi cotton base with beautiful weaving design work border, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, fully contrast color with fine weaving design work, highlighted pallu, very soft one based for your daily wear. This one is border, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, smart also. And this one, bright blue shade, premium quality khadi cotton base with hand weaving buta design, highlighted stripes pattern border, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base but premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, and this portion is border portions, contrast color, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta design work base. This one, fully hand weaving buta design, very elegant looks, and very soft one premium quality khadi cotton base. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, highlighted beautiful stripes, pallu in highlighted stripes design with pom pom design, and all over base part is beautiful buta design. And I suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks. And this one, nice color combinations, kotki pattern border, highlighted and premium quality khadi cotton base, and all over multi-color weaving buta design. This one, full base part, and this portion is border portions, contrast color kotki border, and all over beautiful buta design, very elegant look, soft one. And this one is, pallu portions, highlighted stripes with buta design work, pallu premium quality soft khadi cotton and off-white base. And this one is full base part, buta design, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. So, very nice color combinations, khadi cotton base, black base, bright black shade with beautiful multi-color stripes design work, very nice looks, smart and fresh looks. This one is pallu portions, beautiful multi-color stripes pattern pallu end. This one is pallu in multicolor stripes with beautiful pom pom design, and this portions, upper base part. And this one is beautiful same contrast stripes design and split section, very beautiful and elegant look. This one is splits, and this one is upper base part, and this one is running blouse piece, very trendy and smart fashionable looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. And this one also, a nice color combination, spring off-white base, tissue cotton material, checks with ikat design work border, and all over jamdani buta design. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, checks with ikat design work border, all over buta design, tissue cotton material, soft one. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color with beautiful weaving buta design work pallu. This one is pallu, and this one, full base part of white base, tissue cotton material, checks with ikat design work, highlighted border. And this one is full base, very soft one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very nice looks, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. and this one black base, very beautiful one, premium quality cotton slab material, silver zari border, and all over base part is beautiful batik printed one. This one is pallu portion, beautiful batik printed highlighted pallu, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is pallu portion, and this one is all over base printed one, batik printed one, silver zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full piece, but very elegant and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks, best for your daily wear, office wear, smart looks. Now see a very beautiful color combinations, very nice look, soft silk material with Sivori Badhni printed one, silver zari border, very nice and trendy looks, based for your daily wear. This one full base part Sivori Badhni printed one, soft silk material, and this one is border portions highlighted stripes pattern border, and this one pallu portions printed pallu with pom-pom design, very elegant look, soft one, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base Sivori Badhni Buta printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material Buta work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and trendy looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.risefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have just a beautiful saree, very nice color combinations, wine maroon shade with beautiful weaving design work, highlighted border, all over base part is fine weaving design, handloom soft silk material, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, heavy work but soft one, highlighted border, contrast color, threaded weaving design work, very beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.